that's definitely an uphill battle because the court makes decisions based on the recommendations of guardian ad litems or other experts, and they take those recommendations as that being of a neutral party, and you're not a neutral party as an attorney. And so usually, in order to, if you don't like the recommendation, you kind of have to tear the person apart. And you have to go through their CV and be like, isn't it true that you went to this terrible school? And isn't it true that you were sued in 1998? And isn't it true that you didn't really interview everybody involved and all these things? And then the person who's like, they're trying their best, but like, does anybody do a truly perfect job? And then they usually fall apart. And they're like, well, you're right, I didn't do that. And if you knew, in fact, if you had interviewed these people, would in fact, is there a possibility that your decision, your opinion, your the bases of your opinions would be different? And of course, they have to say, yeah, well, it was. Well, why didn't you do that? Well, I didn't have enough time. I didn't think it'd be necessary, etc. These people are not lawyers. They are not, a therapist is not there to argue with someone. A therapist is there to listen. So
Yes.
it's not fun, but it's necessary to hold them accountable
Yes.
for their decisions.